Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, be it you are new to this channel or you've not subscribed at all, I want you to do us a favor by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow us on Telegram. You will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section because on our Telegram channel, we'll be putting out one or two useful information that can help you in your trading and also some things that can really help you and updates. You can also chat with us. Everything will be shared on Telegram. So you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's take a look at this moment here. I highlight the skill level, right? So we can take a look at this to be the support level. We can see when markets came to this level, we had a rejection which push it up. We also saw it came to this same level, we had a rejection which push it up. So it also happens to this same level and it is currently pushing it up, right? Now, if you take a look at this, it looks like GBP AUD wants to draw to tap this level again. That is exactly what I am saying. So if you have to see something like this, you will see this to be the resistance level. So basically, market is ranging within this level. For us, by the way, as at now, by the way, we are not trying to forecast for next month or whatever, next 2 months or whatever. What market is currently doing, you see that market is ranging within this level. So we can take a look at this to be the support. This will be the resistance, right? Because so it came here first, we had a rejection which dropped, came here again, tap it, something like a double top here. Then we had a drop to this our support level. If you take a look at this, this is a movement that came to our resistance level. Now it has dropped. It looks like GBP AUD wants to come to retest this resistance level, which I think it is coming to do that. So if it comes to retest this resistance level, then I see it giving us some more drop, thereby making this movement a double top. So it looks like GBP AUD wants to give us a double top, something like this. First top, touch, then you can see a drop. This is currently playing a second touch, whereby after that it will now drop. So there's a possibility that GBP AUD will come to this resistance level before it's drop. So do not forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel. You'll find a link to our Telegram channel in the comment section.